Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and I'm going to show you today how to remove and replace an airbag driver's side module on an 07 Mazda 6 sedan. So if you need any parts for your vehicle, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. We're going to disconnect the negative battery, 10mm wrench, and you feel it's loose enough, slide it off. Got to remove the plastic cover that hides the mounting bolt for the airbag, driver's side airbag. And that is going to be an 8mm socket. You just break that free. And repeat the process on the other side. There's one other mounting bolt on the other side. It's located almost directly across on the other side. You'll see the cover, same marking as the right side. Now with the two mounting bolts removed, you're going to grab the airbag module and just lift it out. Quick reminder before disconnecting the airbag module, make sure your negative cable has been disconnected from the battery for, I would like to say, a minimal of 10 minutes, and then you can disconnect. So to remove the two connectors on the driver's side steering wheel airbag module, these black plastic things are a clip, safety clip. Just pry it up and then push on the front tab and lift it out. Oh, that one popped all the way out, no big deal. Push on the front tab and lift it out. Now I can place that aside. I'm going to put that lock clip right back in, because it's not something I want to lose. You can actually probably snap them down. There we go. Now I'm going to connect. They're color-coded. That's nice of them. And I'm going to put the, there's a line-up pin. And see, that's why they do that. Snap it down, and the safety lock is the black piece. Slide it down. And now I'm going to spin it around. Everything looks clear in there. Just got it into place. There we go. Clicks in. You got your two mounting screws. These are 8mm sockets, and the second one is over here. Once they bottom out, you can torque them down to the manufacturer's specs, which is 12 foot-pounds. And I'll tighten this one now. Now we can install the caps. And replace the other cap on the other side, and you're done. Now it's time to connect the battery. 10mm wrench. Make sure the terminal's all the way down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.